Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a first impressions video on this cosrx clear fit blemish cushion. This is a Korean cushion foundation, and if y'all like are into K-beauty and stuff, you know that usually they only have like 2 shades. I know Innisfree has a few darker shades that they put out, but I haven't tried that yet. I have super yellow like undertones and I never go outside, so I'm kind of like a weird like skin color, I guess. I got a lot of redness in my face though, so I heard this has really good coverage. I haven't like opened it or swatched it yet, so yeah, this is like a total like a real like first impression. I hope I can make this work. If it is too light for me, I don't know, y'all. I really want this to work because I heard a lot of good things about this cushion. This is the new shade. It's number 27 deep beige, and they have like the standard 21 and 23 too. So I guess for reference, in my Fenty foundation I'm shade 240, and in MAC I'm usually like NC30, and I don't use any other foundations right now. I've been on my Fenty Beauty, yeah, 240 in Fenty and NC30 in MAC. Usually Korean cushions don't go past like NC25. We're gonna see. Let me pull up the cushion and tell y'all like a bit about it. cosrx is popular for their skincare. They have some really good stuff. Like I love their pimple pads. Those help my skin a lot. I don't use them right now. I don't have them. I haven't bought them again, but those are really good. And they have this galactomyces like essence thing. I'll put a picture of it on the screen. And I used that like 2 years ago, and it made my skin look so freaking good. It was so good. But anyways, so on Style Korean, the cushion is $24, but it doesn't really come with a refill. So yeah, hopefully this doesn't run out quick. This says this contains soothing essences to treat sensitive skin while providing excellent coverage. Provides perfect coverage to leave your skin looking flawless. Trouble and acne scarring coverage, calming care, specialized for sensitive acne prone skin. If you're not like familiar with cushion foundations, they usually like look like this and it comes with like a applicator to put it on with. So I haven't opened this yet. I'm about to open it right now. Just pull that off. And the makeup is inside here, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna touch it, and that's the color. So yeah, I'm going to try my best to like make this work. I'm just gonna like try it with my normal makeup, like how I would usually do it. So first I'm not gonna use any primer because I want to see what it looks like without primer. But first I'm going to color correct my dark areas, which is around like my mouth and my under eye circles. I have some really bad dark circles, so I'm gonna color correct those really quickly. I know this cushion foundation is supposed to have good coverage, but my discoloration is pretty bad, so I'm just gonna color correct it because like I said, I would always color correct when I'm doing my makeup. And plus I'm taking my mom to see Black Panther later, so I need this to like look good. And me and Sonia already saw it twice, but my mom hasn't seen it yet, so I'm gonna take her and we're gonna watch it. Like that's the best movie I've ever seen in my whole entire life. All right, so I'm color corrected. Now I'm going to get into this cushion. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. I'm really scared, but hopefully I can make it work. If it's too light, you know, I can use bronzer and shit. So I'm just gonna like use that much because I don't know what it's gonna look like. So this is like the area where I have all my hyperpigmentation and stuff. Okay y'all. Okay, I think I got some more. But that really like covered everything. Oh my god, shit. Okay, I'm gonna just put it on. Oh my god, the color's not bad at all actually. It might look drastic because of my color corrector, but it's really not bad. I'll swatch it next to my Fenty foundation when I'm done. I'm gonna just do one side of my face first so y'all can see the difference. Oh my god. Y'all, this looks really good. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see like the difference. So it pretty much covered all my scars. And this is the other side. So y'all, this cushion looks really good. I'm shook. I'm really happy that it matches me. Like, it's not a perfect match. It could be like more yellow, but it looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side really quickly. The coverage is really good. I don't even like need concealer. I can just like be done. Y'all, I'm really shook and happy. Like, this looks so good. I don't know if it's supposed to be like matte. Is it supposed to get matte? I don't know. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see. But it looks really good, y'all. Like, I'm really shook. Like, my skin looks so good. Oh my god. Y'all, I can wear a cushion. This is cute. So I'm gonna like let this sit on my face for a little while and see if the finish changes. I don't know if it's supposed to be matte, but like I had just did my skincare and stuff and moisturized and shit, so maybe this is what it's gonna look like. But yeah, let it sit here for a while and see, and I'll be right back. So it's been like a few minutes and it's still like kind of glowy, so I don't think it's gonna like dry down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. I don't know, I'm not gonna like do anything special, so I'm gonna go do it off camera, and then yeah, I'll come back and I'll show you what my face looks like when my makeup's done. So I'm done with my makeup, and it looks really good. So I would usually be creasing right here already, but I'm not, so that's good because I have like, you know, laugh lines. And yeah, my makeup looks really good. The coverage of that cushion is really good. I can tell the difference in color though, like in real life. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the cushion is pink. It's pinker than my skin. Like I said, I'm pretty like yellow. You can maybe see it there. I'm pretty yellow. Yeah, so you can tell the difference from the cushion and my natural skin, but I mean, that's really nothing new for me. Honestly, no foundation I ever try is yellow enough for my skin, so you know, that's just something that I'm used to now. I'll swatch my Fenty Beauty foundation next to the cushion so y'all can see like a color comparison. And my Fenty foundation is the shade 240. That's my Fenty foundation, and this is the cushion. So this one's just more yellow. Oh, I don't know what my skin color is, y'all. I've been struggling with foundations like since I've been wearing makeup, but so maybe this one actually matches me better than my Fenty foundation. But I'm gonna still use both of them. Yeah, I never have found my exact foundation match. Like, you can always tell the difference from my skin and the foundation, but you know what, like I said, I'm used to it now. But I'm really like really happy that this cushion worked for me. I've been wanting to wear cushion foundations for a long time, but the Korean brands don't have a lot of shades to choose from, and I'm not that pale. I'm pretty pale, but I'm not like as pale as regular Korean cushion foundation. They're 21 and 23. Like, usually they're not that different, but this one is like a great color for me to use. I'll probably maybe buy another one. I don't know. I hope it lasts a long time. and hopefully it stays looking this good. I'll try to update y'all. Like I said, I'm going to the movies today, so yeah, hopefully it lasts all day. I think it will because the reviews and stuff, but yeah, I really like it so far, and I'm super happy that it worked out for my skin color. So if y'all have been wanting to try that cushion, try their new shade, I'll put the link down below. If y'all buy it through my little affiliate link, I can get commission from the sale. So if y'all want to check it out, I'll leave it linked down below. You don't have to use mine, you can just go on the website and find it yourself if you want, but it's there if y'all want to help me. It's $24 on Style Korean. So the coverage is good, the color is good if y'all are close to my skin tone, so y'all could probably make it work. I just like did my skincare before I put my makeup on, and I like exfoliated and make sure like to get the dead skin off, so it didn't, I don't see that I have any like dry patches for it to cling onto. Yeah, my skin's really good right now. So I don't really have anything bad to say about the way it looks right now. Like, it looks really good, and like I said, it's not like settling in my lines or anything like that, which is like my main problem other than it matching. I set it with this powder 4-room super natural finishing powder. Oh, this is from So Natural. I got this from South Korean too. They sent me some stuff so I wanted to like try it today. And also my eye makeup, I used this pot eyeshadow from 3CE. I really love 3CE. This is the color Mr. Brown. I put that all over my lid and just put like a glittery gold shade in the inner corner. 3CE, I really love their lip products, and their eyeshadows are really nice too. So yeah, I really don't have much to say. So that was the Clear Fit Blemish Cushion from cosrx. Thank y'all for watching. I just really wanted to try it out, and it worked out, and I'm happy. So yeah, if y'all like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And y'all can follow me on Instagram and my Twitter, and I don't really use Snapchat anymore because the update is, I don't like it. So yeah, just follow me on Instagram and Twitter if y'all want. Everything will be down below. And yeah, just thank y'all for watching my videos and stuff. I'm still like getting subscribers even though I never post, so hello to anyone that's new. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a good day or night wherever you are.